I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Well, short video this. This is an EP3 info map on a Kpro. So shouldn't take us very long. And we shall see what she makes. It's got some mods, as you can see. Well, initial power runs. Well, there's another EP3 mapped on Kpro, and we have made 224 brake horsepower, which is 192 out the wheels. Fantastic. If you've got an EP3, like and subscribe, comment below, tell us what mods you've got and what you're doing and what you're planning on doing. And if you've owned both an EP3 and an FN2, because I'm in an FN2 at the moment, if you've owned both, let me know what you think in the comparison. Cheers, guys.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.